irrigation you. Remember me tell you that. I want to them tempted. Hold on over.
A few moments later.
Yeah, what the fuck they do about gangsta taxi collect in a bed?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Yo, substance, found out that. Yo, no, I'm saying jump back already.
People are going, they don't know me the fox, you know. Yeah, man. Rated. You don't know, so when read anybody forward pan media facts radar, you know. You know, them carry ready for end. Cause ready me ready for expose. Or shit tick or whatsoever. What kind of Fendi tick? What kind of tick in a go on? 10 tick, 0 tick. Wait there. Who send you? So wait. So after popcorn, microwave. After microwave, burn you up. Run you out of camp. Zine? What people? After popcorn, this him, you know. Popcorn took a mic and say, ease yourself, boy. Go around this, so. You look a 0 tick. Tick shit. Yeah, man. Go around this, man. The boy forward out. Look when him come do, no?
It's a brand new melon, alright? We'll do it then.
Man buy melon. Just fi crack melon pan ground and say him bad. Brother, if you can't go lyrically with microwave and alkaline rub out microwave, right now they no see him. Right now Riverton dump him there right now. Me I tell you. Microwave there Riverton dump. And that me I try to tell you, brother. Authentic. Nobody feel like you guys can save you, brother. Right now, you know what you just do a while ago? Right now, a Browns Madden just sign off your career. Me I tell you. Let me tell you this, brother. Alkaline have to answer, you know. You're dead already, you know. What me say? You're dead already, brother. You sign the survey ticket for your career right now. You don't even know. Brother, me go counteract your song. Me and I partner song where you say about not nice box. But alkaline. Brother, you're sick in your head. Remember say, the man them, he eat out the whole equipment them. Run and not nice. He must just sit down like a little boy and easy. Not nice. Not nice a microwave. Send him out, turn him in a SOB in a UK and he come back a ball. Not do that, brother. Not do that. No, you go wrong this up. You go wrong this up, brother. Everybody knows that nice can box alkaline. You're sick in your head, brother. So you Jaffe. So wait there. Cause look at now, Gaza fan you Jaffe now, you know. Brother, you're sick in your head. I wrong set of fans now go gain no strength, brother. You feel like say, cartel, I go make you shoot for him. And then now when you're dead, him a go take it dead with you. You're sick in your brain, bro. You gotta talk about rotation. Let me tell you this, brother. No found now, go back on the internet. Cause you talk about Instagram and media. Alkaline not do media, brother. At this you go wrong. You understand? At this you go wrong, brother. You talk about when cartel, alkaline this cartel. Yeah, alkaline deal with grams away. But you are gonna say when grams forward out, alkaline thing water down. You're sick in your head. I wish song around the place right now. I wish song you a try counteract offer. Eh? I that more know. Which song? Authentic. I can't alkaline ya call Batman, brother. At this you go wrong. Authentic. Remember who you usually power with. Remember man, microwave. Remember say a microwave you usually power with. You talk about nasty man. Remember how much girl come out about popcorn, you know. Same love backdoor and all of them look at thing there, brother. Don't do that. The same Gaza thing what you bring. Remember say a them endorse the most. You know see what I go on in media. The fish them love them. Don't do that, brother. Don't do that. You talk about internet badness or what, brother. Alkaline is only artist in a dancehall right now where in a young era where not do social media. Everything what you say in a song, bro, I can't alkaline you talk, brother. Me I tell you, I can't alkaline you talk. Authentic. Let me tell you this. We have a youth that will come rush you. Yeah man, we have a dog that come near your food, man. You understand? Cause you, brother, who really send you? Cause me don't know if you want alkaline and nobody, brother, like you talk about rotation. You don't see none. Authentic, we don't see you and no girl. You talk about you have girl, where your girl them there? We don't see none. You understand? When man have girl per rotation, brother, you man not no time for you showcase one girl per internet or whatever. Girl come and go. So as some know say you no girlis, brother. Bro, you go put up song and flap yourself, dog. You know no sense. I wrong man you attack, bro. If POPCAAN diss you, and you could even go lyrical with him, brother. Alkaline, you come ratty. This a man, yo, them man, you set up their career, no. So wait there. So you see say everybody afraid of Alkaline. You see say Crux them weak, then now step, you see say Gaza, you see say Unruly. You look a zero tick shit. Brother, where you a go? If you see say them the man there, now run up on Alkaline and you, brother, yeah, as Alkaline sound, I get a look a viral moment, but remember this thing tick. I eat this for you, brother. I eat this for you. Can me see some page drop up your song. I don't, not even Gaza fan them not even with you, brother. Gaza people them not with you. And that me a try show, because they don't want to have no little edge where if you say, yo, you are bringing Gaza or whatsoever, bro. You know you could have forward out and just sing a song, but me tell you a wrong move where you go make. You go call cartel. Bro, Grams ain't done with Don't Gun song, brother. What you want to try to save Grams? You feel like, so wait, I Gaza fan you want get right now? Then if POPCAAN say Gaza, and right now they not too with him, are you them a go with? You're sick in the head. And I say Gaza thing no loyal no, brother. I'm not understanding, you know, a big fan base, but brother, the only thing the Gaza care about are them boss. You understand? Cause you say something in a song, bro, where don't make no sense, brother. You don't know nothing about Alkaline, dog. Nothing. You don't know about Alkaline, brother. You see it? Cause when you check it, brother, a one song you have, you know? One song. Right now, Alkaline have one song way bigger than your career. Me not even go use after all. Yeah, man. Me not even use after all. Let me tell you what me I go use bigger than your career right now. You see same song where you counteract key, man? Yeah, man. That song they alone rub out your career, brother. Cause right now I hit your counteract. Cause right now you just wake up out of dead and you forward out and you flap yourself, dog. You flap yourself, brother. Everything where you're talking in song, you know make no sense. Cause you got to talk about Batman and Nasty Man. Check the artist them where bag a nastiness called. Me tell you know, you love this one little thing what Alkaline say already, you know. The brother thing. Me tell you see your mind, you see where your mind draw attention to? Yeah, man. I eat your used to. Alkaline say one thing in a song and everybody run with it. It show where attract on one attract to. There are so many things in the song. I don't pick one thing. It show on bro. You know if you think and meds them thing there, bro. You know mind magnet to them thing there, brother. And that's why Alkaline use it for years, bro. You see me? Because when Alkaline move on from that, the man just fall back and say, "Can you say yo, you know no sense." Remember, you know, bro, a media and communication the man study, you know, no sense, you know. Right now, Alkaline 10 years in the future more than you don't even see it. You understand? You don't even see it. Right now, Alkaline key man around the place. Cartel no song, brother. Alkaline I talk right now, bro. You understand? If Cartel no do no show, brother, nobody not really meds him like that. You see it? And you talk about, yo, Van Cartel come out, bro. Van Cartel come out. All before that Alkaline name I call, brother. Alkaline name always a call. Bro, I want like a hype you get, you know. Well, you forward out. Me not gonna say you not do if you do. Cause we know your career dead and it want one little jump start, you know. But brother, I wrong artist you go off of a jump start, bro. Alkaline, bro, I don't think right now, Alkaline I walk right now, and right now you come like something with Berry already. When Alkaline not see you, bro, me I tell you. And you can't forward out for war, bro, and you bring this Gaza thing. Come on, brother, man. You come on, brother. We don't really know you're a Gaza artist. So I don't know. I expect Sean Storm or them man they fi run out. You're not a Gaza artist, bro. And this is the thing. That's why enough career flap out. Come realize, I tell you why I know why you do that. Because the look a Gaza thing I go on, you know. And if you go attack Alkaline, you not a fan base for defend, you know. So you know what you do? Draw for the Gaza thing. But the Gaza thing now go with you, brother. Them now go with you. You see it? Remember, microwave and you in a things and you could even answer him lyrically and Alkaline, you go forward come, brother. You look a hype where you get now. Brother, you see when you do them thing, when you sign off on a career, bro. Can I see people post up a song on Instagram and the people must say, who this? You're sick in your head, brother. You gotta just get one player and everything. You rub out. I tell you rub out, brother. You rub out. Can you not bad lyrically, brother? You know, brother, I be a say ass over thing in a song. Because you don't have no file for Alkaline, bro. You can't listen it in a song, brother. No file. Everybody, the whole world knows Not Nice couldn't box Alkaline. You're sick in your head, brother. And first of all, when Not Nice that box Alkaline for, where them have? Bro, when not war in a song, talk truth, bro. Talk truth. But, me know what the problem. I know people don't know, you know. Me know say when you did the run POPCAAN, enough thing them talk about Alkaline. People, it's show, you know. You see when the man POPCAAN usually par, that them do see. That's why you see him attack Alkaline. Because look here, through Alkaline a found out well grimy from with you know. And through him and POPCAAN usually sit down and chat. Yeah man, that's why you see him run out. You understand? That's why you see him run out now. Cause I say yo, the pussy way. So him career. Remember you know dog. Right now you know. Your name 10 tick. Zine? And right now you have one hit song that 11 tick. Brother, how much years now people? How when you get it in last song? Are you in a COVID? Brother, a years now you not get one second hit song in a brother. A year at that you figure. So wait there. So you feel like so the second one you're gonna be one next hit song? Brother, you're not even me tell you not ready. I realize you're not ready for sign off on your career. And I understand that. Understand. Cause right now Mr. Madden pick you up, you know. I tell you brother. Alkaline not fi answer you, bro. Me tell you Alkaline not fi answer you. If you see, cause you know no sense, you know, me assure you say you set up a trap. You see say the man them up there in the game now answer Alkaline. What you think say you are gonna do? Bro, you're not ready yet. You know, cause you not prove no lyrically, brother. Nothing no dead, brother. I want it song I get, you know. Or if you attack giant. When I want it song you get, brother. Yeah, you gonna get one little hype car. Even the people them go see what I go on and hear what you say. But bro, come on, brother. You pop up from now. Bro, you couldn't just stay in your grave. Eh? You couldn't just stay in your grave, bro. I want a hand to make you come out of your grave, brother. Look how your headstone look. Eh? Thank you, rest in peace. Look at your headstone, bro. You couldn't just stay in your grave and rest in peace, bro. You come out, brother. Then wait. Like how you bury 6 foot deep. Now you go bury what? 36? Hour, 12 foot deep? No, brother. Yo, Jano, brother. Wham, you know satisfied with the 6 foot deep. Eh? I look at I go send a dog off here, you know. I hope you're ready. Cause look at you see that dog, yeah? Him not really have no hit song, you know. Yeah, man, him name Nax. He not really have no hit song at the moment, so look at now. Since I look forward, yeah, man, we go send a little goons off of you, man. And see what you have. You understand? But, bro, may I tell you. Something what you say in a song, bro, it just nah make no sense, dog. It nah make no sense, brother. Everything what you say, I just scrap. I just scrap, bro. Cause you talk about nasty, man. Bro, the camp you usually they run nasty. Remember say, microwave brother, them catch him and eat pums. I eat the buff. Remember, bro. You understand? So you come around and talk about nasty. Bro, the camp you usually they run the most nasty. One of the most nastiest camp, brother. Me look at POPCAAN, look at when Microwave X come out and talk about they want next girl saying sit down in the bro, not do that, brother. Not do that. Not do that, brother. When Microwave take away mic from you. See? What make you never run up? You should have run up with a song, bro. All me say do a crack of watermelon. And an alkaline here. Bro, you know that people. Why man them can't put them career to rest and done? Why them have to bury themselves more? Brother, let me tell you this. Don't sing no more song, brother. Me I tell you. No do it. You this nah go, brother. Like, you know, brother. You see little baby crooks in my run. See him? And right now he's a clock, you know. And if you see crocodile a run, and you was a clock, tell me now. I shoot him and I shoot up a clock, bro, and throw in the water. Throw it in the sea, bro, make you go and sail. You don't even really have a movement, bro. Your name 10 tick. The only thing we know is a tick. I must say clock. Bro, what clock can do? Clock just put up on a wall. And tell we time. That's all, brother. Nothing no dead for you, dog. Right now, if your battery run out and we left you up on the wall, so you know no use. We are going to just take it down and replace. Brother, I don't know where you go with this. Because I listen to song and it's like, bro, you say over the same things. You say not nice box POPCAAN. You say vybzkartel come out Alkaline career robot. And the same man, you counteract song offer. You know no sense, brother. If Cartel he fall for a road and Alkaline career flat, bro, you know not talk about the youth. Right now, and the youth song a mash up the place right now. A youth song, cause right now, if Alkaline never drop key man, where would I get the hype off of? You understand? So wait there. Tentic, me hear you say something. You say Alkaline have badness on the gram. People, Alkaline him really attack. You know if I say Alkaline on the gram, I push badness. They on live and all of them look something there. I can't, me wonder if I really Alkaline the man attack, you know. See? People, one time I sang him and I go say Alkaline and a superstar. Tentic, alright, I go prove. We're going to see if you have strength. Tentic, put up yourself on a flyer. Because you think me am Guaylas. See? And keep a show. You see, alright, I'm not going to make it too bad for you. I want to see 1,000 people pull up. You own a show, you know. Yeah, man. I want to see people forward. Since you say Alkaline and a superstar, you know. Cause brother, you not even reach soup yet. Alkaline and a superstar. But who you talk about now? Alkaline and a superstar? You're sick in your head, man. You're sick. You say Alkaline have no name. Authentic. Are you not no name, brother? Nobody don't know you, dog. You understand? Nobody don't know you. Authentic. You say when Alkaline want war cartel, you still a go to school. Yeah, you still a go to school. Cause you're a little youth, you're not ready for war yet. Yeah, when Alkaline and Cartel are war, you still a go to school. You have to just watch and see the grades and go at it. You understand? Because bro, I don't know where you forward out. Brother, may I tell you, so you kill yourself, dog. May I tell you? Cause you know people always talk about this 2016 thing. You will say Alkaline dead from 2016 and he might try to come back. Jano. Brother, on the sick in the head, bro, it's like sometimes when you talk, bro, like, bro, a man think you're dead in a 20. Look how much artists think flap and not even talk about them today. Alkaline. Bro, if you not call Alkaline name, you not get no forward, brother. Tenti, look how much artists you do. I think you're Shaney or some artist that do something. Bro, right now, your biggest forward this ever get, brother. Are your biggest forward this ever get? And that me I try show you. You are gonna say Alkaline love throw shades. Bro, Alkaline are only artist where this artist is real way. Microwave and the six them, bro. Alkaline call name, brother. You understand? Every artist show shades. But Alkaline is not the most shades shower. You have to talk about Massacre with that, brother. You understand? Yeah, you have to talk about Cartel. Remember Alkaline drop a song, you know, bro. See? Remember say Alkaline drop a song and say, yo, nah get no pussy at the palmer, you know. Remember, you know. You understand? Alkaline go direct, brother. This anybody. That's why them afraid of him. Bro, you know no career, brother. POPCAAN this yo, microwave this yo. You know do nothing, you're not gonna lyrical. Bro, no weak, brother. Me I tell you no sense. The thing them only supposed to pre, and not pre, bro. You have a dead career. Bro, I know you can't find a second hit song. And a war you want going, brother. Like, alright, where your portfolio? Why not your portfolio? For even Alkaline even for war with you. Tell me now, brother. Alkaline can't war with a man with a one song, bro. You understand? Can't war with a man with a one song, brother. A joke thing that. You don't have a good portfolio, bro. Right now, you're dying. Forget a next X song, brother. Dying. For sure, you're not found the artists. When I follow back, that's why I'm not reach nowhere. See? Because look at the guys are now step to Alkaline. You are forward and I try do a little thing. And you try using Gaza for carry your strength. Because you know it's alright, the guys are not to rate Alkaline. Bro, let me tell you this. You was a nasty boy. Bro, the biggest set of nastiness come from the camp where you usually they run and the Gaza thing, brother. Everybody know that, dog. Everybody know that. We see that on the media. Come on, brother. When you see the picture them, everything when a man phone and all of them look something there, bro. Not do that. Don't do that, brother. Brother, if you want a career for come back, brother, I wrong money I step to, dog. May I tell you. I wrong money I step to. Because 90% of the comment them, people must say, brother, who you? Nobody don't know you, dog. Nobody don't know you, brother. I tell you already, you know, you better pick on the side, you know. May I tell you, you know, pick on the side. Because soon after, people are going to know the truth. People are going to know, say, yo, brother, you're not real. Because right now, you use the Gaza thing for try to get back a strength, bro. Brother, let me tell you this. Right now, if you're dead, bro, Gaza not with you. I tell you that. You see, because Gaza don't really have no artist, so they can't even send out right now. They're not an artist. What am I saying now? Shanstan already yet. Who else? Who are next Gaza artist? Nobody not dead, bro. You, I don't know if you want to get. I feel like you run out because you want to get the Gaza fan them. You want the Gaza fan base. So what you going to do now? Send off song and show shades of Alkaline, bro. Bro, you're a madman. Never pick war when you pick your brother. That's a one thing. Young Alkaline have nothing. Me understand say usually they on POPCAAN and usually chit chat. Michael, you don't know that bun up. Then he thought that. You understand? We know say usually chit chat round him and Ray and we know the vibes. But brother, never you try to pick war, bro, where nobody not see you, bro. Your career dead, brother. You understand? Your career dead. You make some talk. Bro, me say everyone I talk them what you make, bro. It don't even connect with Alkaline thing, brother. It not connect with Alkaline thing, brother. You understand? Because at the end of the day, any gallis will have girl on rotation. Me know them not post them up. Them not post them up or nothing. Man just a do road, brother. Come on. If you just say you're no gallis, bro. You understand? Because we don't see, you say one bag of girl, but we never see you with no girl either. We never see you with no girl, dog. You understand? We never say with no girl. Yeah, Popcaan name with girl and we see him in girl, but majority of the girl them always a come out and say him love the back door and Ray and this and that, bro. Much a girl come out come style Popcaan, brother. So come on, dog. You talk about nasty man when, bro. We don't know the artist with nastiness call up on, brother. You understand? Yeah. Remember say the same artist where you defend call Jaden name in a song and them man they rub out, brother. You understand? Fisherman bowl with it and him call man name in a song. So bro, no do that. No do that. You can't start the vendetta thing. As me say, brother, imagine wait for you, brother. Cause right now your body bomb, you know. Yeah man, your body bomb right now ready for bury, bro. Me I tell you, bro, yo, this are the Alkaline have a whistle for your career go down in our hole right now, brother. Me I tell you, usually they run Popcaan. I mean, no, they run Popcaan. Popcaan could even answer, bro. Bro. Microwave, they don't when you call it, don't have the dump down so. Rivalry dump or whatsoever. Bro, I don't know where you fall off with this, but yeah, I get a look at hype and things still, bro. But I don't say it work, dog. I don't say it work. You know much man try for this Alkaline and get one hype and then they missing off high surface. I wonder if you know that. Missing off high surface, brother. So when me see you come out, yo, so out of everybody, a tick shit forward. 10 tick. We couldn't even do not when microwave. Then if Alkaline rub out microwave and microwave take mic out of your hand and you couldn't even defend it lyrically. Alkaline you go rush, bro. Fee say Gaza go save you. Dog, you know see Gaza thing. You know see Gaza them say you then don't do gun song. Make him and them focus and make them money, dog. You forward. What make you couldn't? That's what I tell you, you know. You're not brave, you're not bad. I'm gonna tell you why you're not bad, 10 tick. I tell you why. Cause you know me the facts. I come to talk brawly. Me not pretty up nothing. I know me the facts there. Me I show you say yo, you're not brave, dog, and you think Lily. You say if you're bad, you wouldn't even call in the Gaza thing. You wouldn't even call cartel name in the song. You would just run out on this. But when you see a cartel name, bro, you're not ready, brother. Cause right now a cartel thing and the Gaza thing I use for defense, dog. I know so you think, bro. I know so you go war, bro. You understand? Cause at the end of the day, if you go a war and then go borrow this, you still have to go get it back, brother. You understand? And if you end up get put in a grave, bro, them nah go run with your brother. Them and left you. Them and say, yo, Gaza stands alone. We know them stay ready. Them do it with the 6. You understand? So, as someone know, you're not bad, brother. You're not bad. You can't run out and a drop song and then I go call cartel name. You drop the ball, listen, brother. You drop the ball, bro. If you are defending Gaza thing, see, remember say Gaza not own you. We don't know you're a Gaza artist. So how you forward and push out Gaza thing right now? You see? But brother, we're not afraid of you nor the Gaza thing. You understand? Yeah, man. We don't know where you are going. Yo, people. Why, Jano? Look how you man have a one hit song career and the man want. Bro, Jano, brother. But you know what? We're going to just bury. We're going to get a little forward. Because we have a union knocks a forward for you, know. Yeah, man. We're going to get a little strength. Because we say, yo, yeah, strive and yeah, thing. We're going to get a little strength, brother. You understand? But people, right now, Alkaline is man for dancehall right now. I'm not lie. I tell you. If anybody know with this, bro, I'm the last man. I tell you. I'm man run it down. Everybody, this come like 2016. When the man of them thing, everybody run out and this and all of them. Bro, yo, you know what, bro, I tell you already, Alkaline can shake up dancehall anytime, you know. I'm telling you this. You no better pick on the side from now. I tell you now. Because now go normal. Pick on the side from now. You understand? Pick on the side from now. You see it? But people, boy, I tell you, you don't know me the facts, you know. Cause that youth here look like you not loving career at all. But you don't know the things setting up people. You don't know me the facts, you know. Pick up on yourself. That is it.